In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Twilio for SMS in a step-by-step tutorial. Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use Twilio to send SMS messages quickly and easily. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, head over to the Twilio console. If you're already a Twilio user, go ahead and log in with your account credentials. Don't have an account? No worries, creating one is just a few clicks away. Once you're logged in, you're ready for the next step. Now you'll need a Twilio phone number. This number will act as the sender for your SMS messages. In the console, look for phone numbers and then navigate to buy a number. While you're at it, ensure that the number you choose is SMS enabled. This is a crucial detail, so don't skip it. Moving forward, you'll want to locate your credentials. To do this, go to Settings and then API Keys and Tokens. Sometimes, depending on your setup, you might find this under User Settings, then Overview. You need to copy your account SED and Auth token. Remember, keeping these credentials safe is important because you'll need them to send messages through Twilio. Handle them with care. Next, it's time to get creative and compose your message. Think about what you want your SMS to say. Aim to keep your messages short, clear, and professional. This is especially important if you're sending marketing messages. Make sure to include opt-out instructions to keep it compliant and considerate. After you've crafted your message, it's time to select your recipients. Choose the phone numbers you want to send your SMS to. An important tip here is to make sure all numbers are in international format. Something like +1 2 2 3 4 5 5 6 7 8 9 0. This helps ensure smooth delivery. Ready to send your message? You can use Twilio's messaging tool or any connected application to do so. Plug in the sender's number, the recipient numbers, and your message content. Then simply click Send. It's that straightforward to deliver your SMS to the intended recipients. Once you've sent your messages, you'll probably want to see how they're doing. Head back to the Twilio console, and under Messaging, you'll find logs. Here, you can check the message status, whether they're queued, sent, delivered, or failed. If any messages have failed, consider retrying them. Before we wrap up, let's run through some best practices. Avoid sending unsolicited messages to dodge spam complaints. It's always better to keep your messages concise. For better security, consider using separate API keys or sub-accounts for various campaigns. Finally, monitor your delivery logs and keep your recipient lists updated regularly. And that's how you use Twilio to send SMS messages. It's fast, easy, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep your credentials secure.